anybody who has locks, anybody who wants locks, anybody who's about to get locks, please watch this video. You need to understand something very important called Loc Dysmorphia, because you will get it. Loc Dysmorphia is basically when you start being in the mirror and just start being overly critical of your own locks. 3 months, 6 months, like 9 months, a year, you start seeing people fold with it. They start cutting it, they start combing it out. Should have got the square parts. I should have got thinner locks. And people start folding, bro, because they don't like their locks, man. And you at home who about to get locks, you thinking about locks, you are going to hit this point where you look in the mirror and you are like, what in the hell is on my head right now, bro? I am going through a hard case of Loc Dysmorphia, bro. So I had my locks for coming up on 5 months. A lot of progress. But, dog, I looked at my head the other day and I was just like, bro, what's going on? I don't like it. And it's not the parting, it's not the size. It's honestly the length, bro. It's not the ones in the back. The ones in the back are wonderful. It's these, it looks like a hardcore mullet. I do not know if this is common, but I hate it. And I know it droops. I just don't like this length, bro. Waiting patiently to grow past this length. And anybody who's had locks or going through Loc Dysmorphia, you know what I'm saying, say something down in the comments. Make sure y'all do not fold during this stage, dog. Because I know people who combed it out, who cut their joints when they were going through it. And 3 months later, they like, yo, I want my shits back, man. I shouldn't cut it. I was at the perfect length. So you kind of just got to tough through it, man. That's what I'm going to do, tough through it, bruh. And this period of time, you know what I'm saying? But my joints, sometimes I wake up in the morning and my joints be straight, you know what I mean? They be straight, but yeah, the other day, I guess I was just tripping, bruh, because